Did you know that sugar lights up the same parts of your brain as cocaine? But is sugar really as addictive as drugs? Or is that just an exaggeration? Today we're going to uncover the truth about sugar addiction, what science says, and why you might find it so hard to say no to that sweet treat. Sugar is everywhere, in sodas, cookies, even foods you wouldn't expect like ketchup or bread. The more we eat it, the more we seem to want it. Many experts compare this craving cycle to drug addiction. But why? When you eat sugar, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This is the same reward pathway activated by drugs like cocaine or nicotine. Over time, frequent sugar consumption can reduce dopamine receptors, meaning you need more sugar to get the same pleasure hit. That sounds a lot like addiction, right? Here's where things get tricky. Some researchers argue that sugar addiction is real because of how it affects the brain and behavior. Animal studies even show that rats prefer sugar water over cocaine. But other scientists say it's not exactly the same. Unlike drugs, sugar is essential for energy, and not everyone who eats sugar becomes addicted. What's really happening might be a mix of biology, habits, and environment. One major problem is added sugars. Food companies design products to hit what's called the bliss point, the perfect balance of sugar, fat, and salt that keeps you coming back for more. It's not just your willpower, it's food engineering. So how do you know if sugar is controlling you? Here are a few warning signs. First, you crave sweets even when you're not hungry. Second, you feel sluggish or irritable when you don't eat sugar. Third, you binge on sugary snacks and feel guilty afterwards. If this sounds familiar, you might be experiencing sugar dependency. The good news is that you can reset your relationship with sugar. First, replace sugary snacks with whole fruits. Next, read labels to spot hidden sugars. Also, balance meals with protein and fiber to reduce cravings. And remember, it's usually better to gradually cut back instead of quitting it all of a sudden. So, is sugar as addictive as drugs? The answer is complicated. It definitely hijacks your brain's reward system and can create dependency. But unlike drugs, sugar is also a natural part of food and energy. The real danger is in the excess and the hidden sugars we consume daily. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more science-based health videos. Do you feel addicted to sugar? Let me know in the comments.